Good morning, y'all. We are out at a memorial park. I'll have to put the name of it in the description. I think it's Orris Memorial over in Clyateville, Georgia, South Georgia. And I was just enjoying the wildlife. I don't know if you can see them moving around there. Not sure what species of waterfowl they are, but they're beautiful. Little black and brown and white feathering with some red plumage on their heads. Hope y'all can see them moving around over there. There's also some bullfrogs, of course, and some other birds just singing, making themselves heard this morning as the sun comes up. Me and my husband are out here fishing and just enjoying this beautiful day. I hope you can see them. There's a couple fish jumping and so on and so forth. And there's Muscovy ducks that live out here, and they'll come right up and eat from you. I forgot to bring them a treat this morning. Where did you guys go? They're over there somewhere. I see you. Let me zoom out. I don't know if that's gonna help. It's not. Anyway. Trying to keep them on the lens, but it's difficult. You know how wildlife is. Wild. There they are. There's a lot of egrets and things out here. Ducks and other little interesting bits and bobs. There's a few gators and some dragonflies. Oh, there it is. But if you're nice and quiet and don't make sudden movements, the wildlife will kind of move in around you. Real subtle like. It's hard to see what my camera can see, but oh, there it is. Because it's so bright out here this morning. There's 2 or 3 of them. There's more all around the pond, but this is a 5-acre pond over in Clyateville, and it's open to the public, which is nice. Unfortunately, the public doesn't always respect the property, so they leave litter and stuff, but they do have guys that come around and maintain the place. So they do the best they can with that. I'll need to reel in my hook and see if I can't catch something. But I thought you guys might enjoy joining me this morning for my little quiet time. Been listening to scripture and praying a bit. And just, being still with God. Looking at all the cool stuff He's made. Stuff I don't even know the names to. Y'all have a really blessed day, okay?